Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Someone famously once said, there's no such thing as bad weather, just inappropriate clothing. So today, me and Mavis here, who's got her winter coat on, are going to prove just that. I'm going to take one or two extra bits of kit I don't normally carry. We're going to have fun on a summit this afternoon. See if we can survive the snow and make some contacts on HF, because the bands are in good shape. Right, let's go. Thankfully it's only a short drive, about 5 or 6 miles, which is enough in these conditions. It's actually a fairly short walk this. The problem is that there was a big storm before Christmas and it blocked a lot of the main routes, the main tracks with trees. If you can just see behind me there, that's still blocked. But there is an alternative route which involves going up a downhill mountain bike track, which I think I'll be safe enough on today, given that I think the only idiot that's been daft enough to come up here today. Right, half an hour to the top, we hope. It isn't actually that cold today, it's about 2 degrees, so it's only just snowing. It's quite wet. Problem is, it's kind of coming down off the trees in big clumps, which is really annoying. Up there. I have actually been up here fairly recently. It was December last year, so I've got a fair idea of how we can set something up at the summit, radio wise and shelter wise. Although last time I remember it was a VHF activation, this will be HF. Anyway, as I said last time, it was December, which is winter in Scotland, and it was sunny and dry, and now we're in April, which is spring in Scotland. Yeah. 6 inches of snow. I think I'm nearly at the top. There is a path through here, but it's well covered in snow, so I've ended up just stumbling up the clear fell. But I think I remember it had trees at the top. Ben Newe, ladies and gentlemen. Apologies for the lack of vista. I know everyone is just dying to find out what's in the bag that's not normally in the bag. Well, the first thing is the waterproof cover. And really the only other thing is this 3x3 metre tarp, which I've had about 10 years, and an amazing act of irony, it's only ever been used in the Western Sahara in Morocco. Yeah. Okay, preppers, don't judge me, but I've got my little house set up here over the trig point. It's just enough to keep the snow off the radio. Now, I brought 2 antennae today, I'm only going to use one. I brought my 80 metres and 40 metre dipole. The reason for that is the centre of it is pretty waterproof and I can use this in any weather. I also brought my W3 EDP, and I'm going to use that because it's going to be useful for me to sit in here and string the wire right out, and that connects straight to the radio as well. So I'm going to get it set up and get on the air. Waterproof notepad, essential. I can't do Portalog today because everything's just getting too wet. CQ, Summit's on the air. Golf Mike Echo Sierra 059 QRZ.
Sierra Victor 1, Romeo Victor Juliet.
Sierra Victor 1, Romeo Victor Juliet. Good afternoon. You're 5-9 up onto Ben Newe, over. Station ending X-ray Sierra, go again. Sierra Victor 2, Oscar X-ray Sierra, good afternoon. 3x3, 33 on 15 metres, over. Okay, 15 metres was just 2 stations, not the greatest amount of success. I'm going to put a spot on 20 metres. 14.328. Side band until I just heard the Titanic there. Juliet kilowatt kilowatt, go. Florida 5, Japan kilo kilo. Good afternoon, Eric. You're 5'9" plus, over. Yeah, thanks, Eric. Thanks for the call. Have a good day. 7-3. Oscar kilo 2, Papa Delta Tango. Good afternoon. 5'9", over.
Roger, Fraser, good afternoon. Your report 5'9", 73, good lad. Bye-bye, Fraser.
Yeah, thanks for 5'9". Thanks for 5'9". 7-3, bye-bye. Station ending Alpha X-ray, go. Oscar Hotel 3, Golf Zulu, good afternoon, and you are 5'9", 59, over.
Yeah, you're 10 over at 9, good signal. Good evening, 73.
Oh, Roger, yeah, GMES 053. You know, my phone has water on the screen, I read it wrong. So thank you for the correction. Golf Mike Echo Sierra 053. Yeah, so Golf Mike Strash Echo Sierra 053. Ben Newe. November Echo Whiskey Echo. New. Over. Okay, thanks for the calls this afternoon, everyone. Sorry for the error. Summit reference is Golf Mike Echo Sierra 053, and I'm going QRT. Bye bye. Well, there we go. That was Ben Newe. What did we learn today? Well, I really don't know how to put up a tarpaulin. An end fed works when it's lying on the snow for the first 20 feet and then wrapped around a tree or two. Everything got covered in rime ice, so it's all going to need dried out when I get back to the house. I'm still dry. I'm a little bit cold because I forgot to do up my pit zips when I got to the summit, so that's a fail. I think I was just so preoccupied with getting the setup. Well folks, not for the first time I find myself having to finish a video using my phone because the batteries in this thing just aren't up to the job. It's a GoPro Hero 9, but the cold weather kills them. However, what was up to the job was the KX2, as always, although it's a little bit damp, so I'm going to make sure, actually all my gear is just going to go straight into a very warm cupboard and get dried off and de-iced when I get back. So yeah, what did I prove today? No, maybe I should have stayed at home. What do you think? That's me home, back in the bothy, and I really don't think I'm going to have an issue drying any of this gear out. Look at that. Well done, Mo, for getting the fire on. See you next time. 7-3.